Content isn't just the king, it's the whole kingdom. Hi, I'm Ronita Italia and I welcome you all to the Spaces Masterclass. The Spaces Chief Style Officer is not just about style, but is also a master of content. Now it's much like designing a space. It's got to be a treat for your eyes, but it's also got to appeal to the senses, all of it. Let's dive right in. I'm going to give you a few key tips, tricks, maybe even pointers, things that helped me along the way. I'm sure they'll also help you, but it's really up to you how you apply them. So when you're styling a space, one of the first few things that I remember and keep in mind is the way it makes me feel, and that feeling is what I go by. So whether it's picking the wall finishes or adding the furnishings to go with it, or coordinating the colors, bringing on the accents, the accessories, it's all of those things that come together and make a space what it is for you. So there's a lot out there where colors are concerned. It's not the same old shades of India that we're all used to and that we're all thinking of in our heads. There's so much more out there. So for your inspiration, I would advise you to look at nature. Okay, there are so many palettes out there. The seasons, for instance, every season has a different color palette. Oh my God, you're never going to be at a loss there. Make a statement. Do something that is different. Leave your audience with that je ne sais quoi that they will remember you for. I mean, that is something that is the real deal cincher for me. So the idea is to be able to stand out, right? Therefore, don't be afraid to make bold choices. Let it be different. It's going to stand out and it will only be good for you. When you're actually working on the look of your space, it's not necessary that you're going to get it right in the first shot. Give yourself the option to experiment. It's going to evolve. Now, for example, if you've put a floral cushion out there, it's not working, change it. Bring in stripes. Maybe a solid color will look better. Throw in a drape somewhere, add flowers somewhere else. There's a lot of options, and that's something that you should be willing to allow yourself. The frame. Take my advice and make the frame your best friend. Why am I saying this? Now, here's the thing. Whatever you style, no matter how pretty it looks to the naked eye, if it doesn't look good in the camera frame, it's not going to work. So this is all about the composition. The angle of your camera, how you're looking at your setting with your camera from your frame, that's key here. So get that right. Again, there is a lot of information out there. Experiment with empty settings, try various angles in your own camera, see how it's working for you, how comfortable you are, and go with that, because that is something again that needs to marry well with your setting. Style your space and your homepage to your taste. For more content on home linen, visit the Spaces India page. Now that you've got the basics, becoming the Spaces Chief Style Officer is within your reach. Put on your thinking hats and let those decor ideas brew. Let's make every space beautiful.